People are rethinking their finances and investing strategies because they are worried about a recession. While large corporations cut costs to get through tough times, individuals and households must carefully assess their budgets and plan for the future. Investing in stocks is one way to build personal wealth. Your financial situation will improve if you study carefully and save money to buy the best stocks for 2023. Warren Buffett says, "The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect." Some stocks have withstood the test of time, not because these companies make the best products, but because they constantly innovate and rethink their priorities. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 stocks that you should invest in for 2023. Number 1. Amazon stock. Most financial experts have long regarded Amazon stock as an investment goldmine. Analysts highlight the tech company's commitment to digitalization over its size and scale. Amazon is here to stay. From being a market leader in cloud computing with Amazon Web Services to solidifying its presence in healthcare with the acquisition of One Medical, Amazon stock has dropped by about 50% this year, and astute investors are buying it at pre-pandemic levels. Although Amazon stock price has fallen, it is still at the top of the market. In addition, Amazon Catalytic Capital, which was recently launched, will invest in venture capital funds that support companies led by Black, Latino, Indigenous, women, and LGBTQ founders. Although the stock of the e-commerce giant has fallen this year, experts are optimistic about its future growth prospects. Amazon's stock price was $85.25 per share on December 27th, with a 52-week high of $172.94. Technology experts are optimistic about the company's growth prospects and aggressive digitization and believe it is a good stock to hold for the long term. Number 2. Costco stock. According to financial experts, Costco is one of America's favorite marketplaces and one of the best stocks to buy in 2023. The company sells bulk merchandise at low prices and is nearly the drug of choice for housewives. EPS stands for earnings per share, and Costco has grown it by 16% per year over the last 3 years. If the company can maintain this growth rate, it will reap greater profits. Costco Wholesale has always had loyal customers, and its tenacity has primarily worked in its favor. Financial planners anticipate consumer spending will increase in the coming year, making Costco stock valuable. Costco's stock price is expected to rise as a focused strategy helps the company weather a turbulent 2022. Costco's share price fell in early December 2022 after the retailer missed Wall Street expectations for its first fiscal quarter. According to reports, the company is also considering raising membership fees. Despite a drop in more than 37% this year, Costco stock has strong growth potential, making it a strong buy on Wall Street. But some investors are worried about Costco stock because they think the giant warehouse will not do as well next year. If Costco's growth rate slows or stagnates, investors may reconsider. But the company is priced for perfection. Number 3. Sofi Technologies. Sofi is well known for its loan refinancing services. Sofi stock soared in mid-December after CEO Anthony Noto purchased nearly $5 million in shares, boosting investor confidence. Sofi stock has dropped more than 70% this year, but because Noto purchased Sofi shares between December 9 and 13, experts are optimistic about the company's growth prospects. Noto's belief in the company has paid off, as shares rose nearly 7% following the announcement. The financial company now works like a bank, giving out loans and accepting deposits without the help of other companies. Sofi stock has been trading in the $4.50 range, with analysts expecting it to reach $12 by 2023. On December 31st, 2021, its 52-week high was $16.49. The lending company's stock is rising, and investors may be concerned about its volatility. The ban on student loans has hurt demand, but the economy has also hurt demand for home loans. Still, investors are optimistic about the company's future because it has a solid business model, and its sales keep going up yearly. Many investors believe the stock will hold up in the long run despite concerns about the company's inability to profit. Sofi is in a good position to grow its services and customer base because it offers many different services through a single app. Analysts expect Sofi stock to nearly triple in value from its current level, and they are impressed by the company's 53% revenue increase over the past year. If you can hold on to Sofi, it is one of the best stocks for 2023. Number 4. Disney. Walt Disney Company operates under 2 main umbrellas: linear networks, Disney Media and Entertainment, Parks, Experience, and Products. To say that Disney has had a turbulent year would be an understatement of epic proportions. In the last year alone, Disney has gone through many changes, like when former CEO Bob Chapek didn't say anything about the Florida bill and when the park prices went up. To top it all off, the company rehired former CEO Bob Iger to take over as shareholders became concerned about declining profits. While leadership controversies and spiraling earnings have cast a dark cloud over the company, there is no denying that Disney parks have seen an increase in visitors and the streaming service has added millions of subscribers. Disney Plus has over 235 million subscribers and offers both ad-supported and ad-free subscription plans. Disney intends to expand its streaming services in the coming year, emphasizing profitability. Iger has agreed to a 2-year contract to spearhead the change. As a result, Disney stock had fallen to pre-pandemic levels as of December 2022, losing nearly 52% of its all-time high of 203 in March 2021. Disney stock closed at $86.37 on December 27th, and it is expected to reach $100 by the end of 2023. The company faces stiff competition from Netflix in the streaming service arena. Number 5. Eli Lilly stock. Eli Lilly stock fell even further in December as its earnings guidance fell short of Wall Street expectations. However, since the beginning of 2022, Eli Lilly stock has risen nearly 35.5%. Following an incredible run this year, some analysts believe Eli Lilly stock is due for a pullback. Additional approvals will significantly boost Eli Lilly's stock price. The pharmaceutical company plans to launch 4 more products by the end of 2023, including a drug to treat early-stage Alzheimer's. Lilly CEO David Ricks said in a statement in mid-December, "Several of our late-stage medicines for serious diseases were submitted for approval this year and will hopefully launch in 2023. Eli Lilly expects potential launches to aid its next growth wave in 2023. Despite lowering its forecast for 2023, most analysts believe Eli Lilly stock will remain profitable next year. When you own Eli Lilly stock, you also get dividends, which have gone up slowly over the last 8 years. Eli Lilly stock closed at $364.88 on December 27 and is expected to reach a median target of $400 in the coming year. Financial planning is about what money can do for your confidence, security, and quality of life, not just investing. Even if you have all of the best stocks to buy in 2023 in your portfolio, you should also be aware of additional fees and investment costs. Your financial plans must also be tailored to your specific needs to help you achieve your objectives. Even though various experts recommend a variety of stocks in 2023 to stock up on, it is up to each investor to conduct their research. You also need a written financial plan to feel safe and leave room for improvement. It also displays your goals and progress in real time. And there you have it, the top 5 stocks to invest in 2023. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already for more financial tips and advice. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.